To this video. Today we're going to be making the bottom portion of the rocket body. It's going to be a pretty simple design. Again, we are using a cylinder shape, but we're going to be creating the compartment that houses the rocket engine itself. So we are going to be using our circle tool. Click that, go from the origin point, and we want to keep it in line with what we've been making with our other rockets. Or the other portions of our rocket. So I'm going to use a 1-inch radius to make it a 2-inch rocket. Makes it tiny, so we zoom extent in, and let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now that we have this portion set up here, the easy thing to do is going to first be to create a small, tiny little circle here, because we need to create a way for the explosive that's at the very bottom of the rocket engine for it to shoot through to be able to pop out our parachute. So I've just made a small little hole there, and I'm going to just delete that. So I have that small hole available. Then I am going to push pull. I'm just going to raise this up about 1/8 of an inch. Pretty easy to do. And then I'm going to go with another circle. But before I do that, let's go ahead and create a guiding line for us. So it's made that red line when we were centering it. And we're going to go here. And we know that the rocket itself is about 0.8 inches in diameter. So we can make that work a little bit better for us. We need to work in radius. So let's make it about 0.42. And you can type in 0.42. Just make sure you hit that inches and it will create it accordingly, which is what we want it to do. Next, we take our eraser tool and let's erase those lines we've made. That, erasing that one. And then we're going to take our select tool, delete the center right there. And then we're going to take our push-pull tool and we're going to raise it up just to a random height. And the rocket engine itself is about 2.5 inches long. So we type in 2 space 1/2 inches, hit enter. And we have just created the second portion of our rocket, the compartment that's going to be holding the engine itself. Make sure you do click save so it's properly saved, and we can move on to the next video.